me for it. Bring it on, what is on your mind? Yeah, baby, it's a Bonnie and Clyde, babe. And all that you promised to show and tell me no time or soon when I'm right, yeah. You and I together, so we go together. See me pose, no be and I will pose, you fly, me say nah. Life in with you, girl, me love it. Dying with you, tell him forever. Lily, who is that, me say nah. Diamond rings in your body, darling, come find me.
Oh, you did do me lomo. This thing no be no more. Me no want to no more. Please don't give me trouble. You did do me lomo. This thing no be no more. You go be my lover. You really be like that. 0244, my baby. I just want to call your number. I find my person who will take my pain away. What I give up for love. I don't want to be so jealous. If you leave me, baby, chaos. On this size, you too fine, oh girl, I want you for you. Something nice, I don't mind, me, I will, me, do. So don't beg me for you. I know what you said tomorrow. Somebody else don't take you for you. They do me lomo. This thing no be no more. Me no want to do more. Please don't give me trouble. You they do me lomo. This thing no be no more. It no be my lover. Do me lippy like that.
Ghana, it's Bob dear until the camera. So me say Coco Farmer, to a copper beat, be my jana.
DLFM 106.9.
Even really good so what's a mama. Wanna name him see the Obama. Mom name Bush na the capture Osama. Show me what no do I don't pana. Feeling me so where you any opana. I work hard like a kid from China. Lazy ass dude what I spend like when in na so no matter what to tiger or say boy for no cigar be fighter. In football in a show the favorite top striker. Floating stone with the master.
It's
or crowd number one or some meow. Big up to fans, but cha-cha. Move,
Shine kwemi. Wong balaya for the money. Big ups to my haters, I'm sorry. And mob him to my bank, so we coming. Shine kwemi. Wong balaya for the money. Big ups to my haters, I'm sorry. And mob him to my bank, so we coming.
You friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. I'm Adjoa Agyei Sika.
my papa be a down. What for no more shot saying this now. I said we are seeing me and when I'm wow, but we still move to keep the dream down. And then I am and I'm up, yeah. When I step there, it shake like a bat, yeah. And think crying, that's what I sister don't keep training. Papa rap semester for the training. Tomorrow relax, and mama say brat, try some more paying. Yeah, Pesica. Balling every day like my name be FIFA. Don't pull me down in your auto festa. Ain't see you be back at your nemoka. Flow in your hot chair heat. Flow king stone, flow boom chair beat. It's a punch now, pen, so I'm trying to say lead to the fans. I could do it till I go 6 feet. Peace, cha-cha, cha-cha. Cha-cha, move it, cha-cha, move it, cha-cha, move it, cha-cha, move it, cha-cha.
Shine kwemi. Wong balaya for the money. Big ups to my haters, I'm sorry. And mob him to my bank, so we coming. Shine kwemi. Wong balaya for the money. Big ups to my haters, I'm sorry. And mob him to my bank, so we coming.
You friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. I'm Adjoa Agyei Sika.
I'm a doctor, I'm a kid, I like Panin and Nama. Now, over here, Yanagadama. They must have over here, the governor. I'm a doctor, I'm a kid, I like Panin and Nama. Nana in the morning, Nana in the evening. Me just a live up my life and I make my money. Me no worry about anybody. Me just a live up my life and I make my money. Me no worry about anybody. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Fire, fire. Nikita Oda so kurabeshi. 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 Just to concentrate, I win and celebrate. I've been around.
DLFM 106.9.
I've been around. A baby shaped like Coco. Nothing a man can say when she move around. Cause in a one chop cake, you want to pop champagne. Then around, hey, do nana, do nana, do nana. Say do nana, do nana, do nana. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Whoa. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy 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 giddy. Fire, fire. Nikita Oda so kurabeshi. Fire, fire. Nikita Oda so kurabeshi. Fire, fire. Nikita Oda so kurabeshi.
DLFM 106.9.
Nama dake dia kaneva. Ama keda lakpa nenema. Na uba ye ya nagadema. Dema saba uba yenye de governor. Nama dake dia kaneva. Ama keda lakpa nenema. Nenema in the morning. Nenema in the
The friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. Amitié Adjoa Agyei Sika.
Wine for me not like a gypsy. No. It's your anthem. Two of them wine and bubble, let me love them. Big up all of the manga girl and the fluffy girl when we say. I feel the girl in fat and sexy. Mampi. This a feel the fluffy girl. Say now I'm also over to me on the feeling. Mampi. Hey, Ghana, London. This a feel me fluffy girl and see wine pan. Jamaica, America, every fluffy girl. Cat pan a junior. Love all them if them back. The way them want me and fit out, oh God. Alright. Love all them wine and cat them free me. Somebody come here for me grab. I feel the girl in fat and sexy. Mampi. This a feel the fluffy girl. Say now I'm also over to me on the feeling. Mampi. No. Everywhere me go, be a bag of fluffy girl a call me. Say them have some who don't forgive me. Any day me touch you, them swam me. Inna the road, them not stop from spray me. Them love me bad, so me get them easy. Them have some underneath well squeezy. But you need to me love how them sexy. And the fluffy girl them with me say. I feel the girl in fat and sexy. Mampi. This a feel the fluffy girl them. Say now I'm also over to me on the feeling. Mampi. No. That junior, now no intro. Alpha figure here all the thing go. Wine for me not like a gypsy. No. This your anthem, for the fluffy girl them. Two of them wine and bubble, make me love them. Big up all of the manga girl and the fluffy girl when me say. I feel the girl in fat and sexy. Mampi. This a for the fluffy girl them. Say now I'm also over to me on the feeling. Mampi. Hey, Ghana, London. This a for me fluffy girl them fi wine pan. Jamaica, America, every fluffy girl. Cat pan a junior. Love all them if them rock. The way them want me and fit out, oh God. Alright. Love all them wine and cat them free me. Somebody come here for me grab.
The friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. Amitié Adjoa Agyei Sika.
Yeah. A come at the watcher, you fear by your 9, you will hear no with in a year. O papa who any man and a boomy, fan the side, I would in the fear. It's class, I want to survive, and a woman and I want to hold the air. So last year, now what I move, and you win your media, and the massa mammy goes. Charlie Wayade, I was say a boa basso, it's in my goes, make high pound, I want auntie. And
and then we trip canto, Massa Mame, Oza. We do with beer for your phone, so one J, Nini, one papa, or Bar Mame, Oza. What the Mame, Pomodena Mame, Oza. Wobonyum na what drop a track pay 50, Bako Grand 5. Usike na with a sorte payola, who GD said Yako Pondai. Upe Kununtia, the Wahe, more than a born, I pass it.
DLFM 106.9.
Sister will be a Wayase, so one papa. Baby, I would do that so pimco. And Rana will be a visit that Swassa, who could be a Jericho, I want to would so. Intimidis and I'm better one pipe. A crime baby and TV Niaba. That's a wood you miss, so would you dear Muko Pemis? I would never be a Jehovah Bishop. I want to remember Sammy Oza. Charlie Wayadi, I was say a boa basso. Intimame Oza, make high pan, I want auntie. And then would you be canto, Massa Mame Oza. Would you will be a for your phone, so one J, Nini, one papa, or Bar Mame Oza. Would the mammy, Pomodena Mame, Oza, Modena Mame Boza. That's a command watching as I would do back. Wabba Brahma Wapim.
DLFM 106.9.
Still, you know, Sabi confirm. We had client last year, was any Sika was a new confirm. Yo, no shampoo. What they were here, go with this shampoo. A Kawatan for Nakana, very bamboo. Charlie forget it will be another demo, they be from food. BC and social watch that sound still aggregate 40. Was a one papa when it was 13. Charlie Massa with the Mame Oza. Charlie Wayadi, I was say a boa basso, Intimame Oza, make high pan, I want auntie. And then we trip canto, Massa Mame Oza. We do with beer for your phone, so one J, Nini, one papa, or Bar Mame Oza. With the Mame, Pomodena Mame Oza.
It's
A friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. Amitié Adjoa Agyei Sika.
DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9.
Why, can't it baby, why? I cannot wait no more. Baby,
DLFM 106.9.
I love your attitude, I cannot
A friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. Amitié Adjoa Agyei Sika.
I'm in the mood.
DLFM 106.9.
A friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. Amitié Adjoa Agyei Sika.
DLFM 106.9.
Baby.
baby say I'm calling. And every day I'm calling. So that I watch you I'm calling. Hey, I be a guy. So that I watch you I'm calling. And every day, good job. So that I watch you I'm calling, baby. I'm going down, I didn't cheer more than. I didn't cheer more than. I didn't cheer more than.
DLFM 106.9.
I'm nobody roll. Taking it to another level. We are young boy.
We give you a monkey day, we won't take on no house. We give you a house, yes, ever. I'm from a monkey day, we do grow me to me out. We do Sadesia, now I can't be a body. I did mom in me and my
DLFM 106.9.
Your friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. I'm Adjoa Agyei Sika. Your friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. I'm Adjoa Agyei Sika.
Home of legends and great music. 106.9. 106.9.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
Yalande. Ghana Jadi for Mumbrenio. Afiwe Pram Beye the dead on First Trade, Pram Traditional Council, and a Center for National Culture, Greater Accra Region, under the auspices of the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Ningo Pram District Assembly, Ediju Media Yatudin, First Trade Cultural and Food Festival 2026. Bro, homo we are entrepreneur, Utomadia, we are Jedini, and our business owner, and Yakwenya now bar, Ghana Dianepa, business opportunities, exhibition and shopping, and our music and arts, and our entertainment. What did you know? Na yesansu bawo nyompa. Nena yadi brau ewo dwumadie yase. Anyontofu akukuda indie. Bebre kwa dwumadie baso efiada 14th kopim kwesiada 30th August 2026. Our Pram Anglican School Park. Yanda mo bia debut. Sanse eye 24-hour economy market. Upe chinchemu bia fre 0546 178 274 and 0548 918 116 for partnership, registration and sponsorship. All social media platforms for updates at First Trade Official. First Trade Cultural and Food Festival 2026, celebrating African trade, food and culture.
Back to heaven.
Afi pram homo hafa shane bed the brutal. I tell you, it's not so we are taking you way back to the 90s. Where you're back to the 90s jam on Saturday, 29th August 2026. Venue, the Loyals, our pram. Branda Besha Woswo and the Moswo Baby. DJs behind the ones and twos. DJ Hitman, DJ Alien, and DJ Lace. Your MC, Her Excellency, Nana Amafosia. Time, 7 p.m. sharp. And to my issue more pram the Loyals na feno yam party back time apa kaina shane so say a free won't you ask bia now for table reservation call 0596464644 0244878719. So join us as we relive the unforgettable sounds in the 90s featuring great music, vibrant energy. Saturday 29th August inside pram the Loyals. This is where the party is gonna be. Back to the 90s jam, we're not stopping. Joe Olaba walk.
Rolling with me, come on, holla, holla. If you rolling with me, come on, holla, holla, holla. Heard me? Holla, holla. If you rolling with me, come on.
Pull up. Somebody do 192 because Tema is about exploding. This September, history will be made inside Chrome Pab. The king of the West Side punchlines, the king's artist, and the lyrical grandmaster is bringing the heat straight to Tema. It's the Kinata Experience with Kofi Kinata and many other surprise artists. Date is on the 25th September 2026 at the Ultimate Night Live Hub, Chrome Pab inside Tema Community 8 and 9 Junction. Gate opens at 7 p.m. and we're jamming non-stop till the sound ceases. Vibe continues on Saturday, the 26th, with the old school jams featuring all the turntable lords. Dial star 712, star 33, star 758 hash to purchase your 300 city standard tickets and VIP tickets for 500 cities. For table reservation and enquiries, call 0507-483-606 or 0244-621097. Media partners are DLFM, Showbiz TV, Adjoa FM and TV, Ago TV, Kasapa FM, High FM, Asasipa Radio, and Kisben FM. Kenata Experience, Yeri Patia.
Enne Yijabia.
Minia femme waso anyone make kakra na menka DLFM Plaza Hotels 171 Trail se wo bebe ye meetings and our conferences are anyhow because DLFM Plaza Hotels were very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se e kom deal na wo bebe ya obenya duane a emu de ne mu ohwam na pomudin wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa betre abodwonsa ya so bogo mi na se ni pedua mu nyina be yo fam anom dia menhwe bebe a se DLFM Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a member and a man to Mrs. Wantrini. A fair modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee. Weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Ahomikawum. Nebe Shekiu Amawaniaje. Ichagusa. Oh, DLFM Event Center. DLFM Plaza Hotels. Dine Papa. Inipadem a buso into Saope hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wasum dia. Ya bia punama. Afe ya 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wabusia abetinem for a limited period. Afe sheshe DLFM Plaza Hotel. Echwa kwan ewo obotan so ene atechem ya ni nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so behuyen wa hwerase. Ye ne fire service station no ene di nhwani mu. Se wo kwa denta. Ye ofrafra ha ubetumi afre yen ewo homayi so 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@DLFM-plazahotel.com. Website www.DLFM-plazahotel.com. DLFM Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Hey, Kwame, at the Wakaboom one, I saw one of Maha when he sat to set the woman about quiet here. We are dang.
Akosia, a woman po. Insu amenumi, and ya kama, pesu papa no ma chumebo. So ne can sing.
I no pay them their summer seal. I no pay yan and I mammy seal piano, Miss Proje, a friend, Lumba super. Insu no dear. The Efa Unima say boko, ne so smooth. Kwame insu there was a wunumbi. Insu ne kama.
Lumba super.
Lumba super.
Mammy country. Nsu papa ni. Anya na de ade asie mi. Na menya bi ato wo hemfa.
Pebi ade akohye me fridge.
Sa? Nana.
Kwame, send the akosia canon. They said, "Why we bush afford the mama musu papa a lumba and super. Insu aba ye drama so any asset get to Accra." They say, "I don't know you no one will be a two akoton. Dodo na na fie mo. Ye no more. Chese bibia demu. Come. Aquala Production and Trading Limited and aboma di abwa no. E de brain you insu nie. Insu ani lumba and super. Sene adofo no musu pebi etu a abra akosia ebo mama ne say o pebi akoma the Sainty on my friend number C 026-3983-801 and I says 054-078-5010. Me pacho open Lumba in Supa ehu ensembia dia. Waiting for your website www.lumbainsupa.com. Ubenya ehu akadie nyina ewo ho. Lumba in Supa, natural mineral water. Get a grip. That's super great. FDA Agyei Sika atum.
Your friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. Namitie Adjoa Agyei Sika pa.
Na me mamu akwaba. Munyina ediba DLFM.
It's Friday!
I've got to say, I'm feeling great. Perfect time to play. Oh, what a day. I've got to say, I'm feeling great. Perfect time to play. Sunshine in my soul.
DLFM 106.9.
Feeling alive. Full of
Electric energy.
Electric energy. Electric energy. Electric energy. Electric energy. I'm feeling insomnia. Double digits and I'm living in coma. Tell to my love, I feel like, and give me the melody, mama soon see. Just give me the money, make I go my holiday. And we got the land, we go do shaggy. I be the big baller. I be the big baller. Pretty bank teller, give me the pounds and dollar. I be the big baller. I'm feeling high, I'm feeling insomnia. Double digits and I'm living in coma.
DLFM 106.9.
Home of legends and great music.
Sunshine in my soul, making me blue, feeling alive, full of life. Electric energy, electric energy, electric energy, electric energy, electric energy, electric energy. I've got to say.
Of course, we are here with some electric energy. Good morning. And welcome to your Kura Kura mid-morning show here on DLFM 106.9. It's a Frankie Funky Friday.
Feeling alive.
Giving you some great energy and vibes. And when you do right weekends, you what you see.
Electric energy. Electric energy. Electric energy.
Energy ne kiki wana. Where you kiki me.
Energy. Electric energy.
Me jide samuni na mo hoye. And now the 21st of August 2026. And a fiada. And I him dada.
I'm living in coma. Tell to my love of feel like and give me the melody, mama soon see. Just give me the money, make I go my holiday. And we got the land, we go do shade.
It's 11 minutes past the hour 11.
Pretty bank tell give me the pounds and dollar. I be the biggie big.
But more than so bet me at Unini. To DLFM 106.9. No, I join you live on Facebook and YouTube. Nini na DLFM 106.9. Bet me edge our comments no our Facebook. You back in kind at the amount our mre semu. And then I Friday said someone with him dada. We just having fun. I was here this some energy be every weekend. I know said there are a lot of people Friday say no. It be a year with fear Diana Rehwaba.
Electric energy.
In whatever way. And also so be so if been so be engagements and then they want who abadin to birthday parties. It be so be crab and tackle have fun. Weekend vibes now. Bibia munyako ponsi and fast down femano. And then to now see a knee etimi edge.
Then go they watch my face.
All the stress I will pass it through from Monday to and then on. Also to me do and now release some stress.
Sometimes it is okay. Things are going
and then see a mid-morning show. Minute team in ya body ya mamu.
Left hand close and the right.
Yeah, Brahmo great vibe.
No.
And some electric energy.
Keep it one eye open, one eye open, one eye open, one eye open. No. I live in a city of bullet.
DJ Omarion and Ebonyom no Eddie Amamion no any DJ for the day.
Tread carefully.
And he has always been the DJ.
Full Rasta man kasa.
Sanso Anna Belinda.
Hey, I keep on balling.
Miami G. And also our MCR. And making sure submit me live on Facebook and YouTube.
To me the Messiah, see me from down. Some people who asking me answer, sending me dollar, was sending me zaza. Messaging me flowers, so asking me how far. To me the Messiah, see
me I'm tia Jama with me Media and Adjoa Agyei Sika.
Left time close and the right time working. One eye open, no. Come again, come again, come again. See me down.
And then my Bassa entertainment preference.
One eye open, one eye open.
Yempe bad energy. Sunny Mwamunim. Me body, I don't come with bad energy. And I'm expecting to so be umbrella me bad energy.
One eye open, no.
Take your bad energy far away. We don't want it here.
One eye open.
I work and happiness. And a rare weekend. It's Yempe bad energy.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy.
Oh, just checking in again. It's the black and stone boy again.
Yeah.
We be dropping these bangers again, giving them over and over again.
Me find Chiaka Sia and Koma Efia Sugar, the Jawule president. Baby, I will be a Yakopon and count home.
Yes.
Yanko.
Who cares? You're the finest of them all, the one I'm longing for. Longing for my baby. Who cares? The finest of them all, the one I'm longing for. Longing for finally. No more waiting. No more dating. No hesitating. Finally. No more waiting. No more dating.
Answer na me best start na ka join him on Facebook ni so a na ka be hu say me Lumba super and no ana ama me energy and then me timi de kasa.
The people that they young they gon' never understand cause you they complete my world. It's time to wife you and ring all them.
They told be out me sorry na wa won say as why am no body no nheda nkoye niam nheda nkoye woni pedua nim. By the moment I be num Lumba super no. I just say ni pedua no ye adwuma yi. Emma wa hoden shronko. Wo se dompe na sisi dompe so.
Fire you. See my heart.
And Lumba super onya no me pe no start tonyo.
Better boom.
Isi aya wan wadwuma say.
Just have you cook back. Make it bring place. Once you dance so, you go watch it.
Onsanka Lumba super ni dia bomodin a.
I salute you.
Oba eye DLFM your premises Sanuma yewo eye North Legon opposite Wisconsin International University. Onsabe timia Lumba supani bi. Wa ope sachet, wa ope bottle water. Onsabe timi akebi. Nebuwe for papa.
No more waiting, no more dating, no hesitating.
Na sawa dansuma ene nimpote ma. Madam Abanyamiche eye so distributor wo ho. Our adjacent Lumba spot appear to lane from Madam Abanyamiche was 0557 349401.
Don't break me, don't use me, don't lose me, don't leave me in the dark. Do you trust me? Then give me your hand. I found you, you found me, who found who? No one cares what my
Ayo fan cross so Mama Vic ewo ho. Owo opposite ayo nyina so washing bay. Spot M. Friend was 0500660783.
You are living inside my head, rent free, baby. I was saying now.
Lumba Surprise living rent free in my head. Okoda kuma na bra kwame ewo circle station by Adom Choba. Friend was 0244094793. Madam Edith could see ewo Dowenya. Our Opsi Central University. Friend was 0246601004. Okopo kwasi odumasi anana setra ewo ho or satisfy water depot ben government school no. Frano ewo 0592317481. Okotema community 4 secondary joint Auntie Emilia ewo ho frano 0540423201. Na Lumba supano so person onye so distributor na mpo se ye bi na wo ya ifro na wo ye na wo pension ne dodo e de asomo hoho de a na wa friend 24 0549889685 addiction and 0549436616
any fool can make a rule, don't mind them, oh don't mind them.
Your location, saying is telling Chabula, Hennessy no missy any fool can make a rule, don't mind them, baby, don't mind them.
Oh my letters, take my paper, make it come, it will later, get my dagger, that will later, you go like come, and that's the guy, my letter, take my paper, make it come, it will later, give me pussy, give me pussy.
Now when him dey nti a wo get on the way down. Wadwen ho a wonti ase. I want to chop my life. Shebe ye fidie no na menka semi enfenchiro. Wo ska. Wo bibia, wo ye bibia de ma girl no. That's wadwen ho a wonti ase de nti a girl na ja wa kofa sa boy no. Mebo a. Ebi ana nipa ne kra ho ye fe chen no. Ebi kra mpo na wo ska chen no. Na so girl na so we ja wa kofa. Hey. Should be a video na min cast someone find shrow. Maybe an sexual weakness. A human who into me mboni ye. So better graphic come obi a king kind party. Abema. Until make can forgive us speak up so the amount no pay. And to graphic mo being king kayo. Make catch row. Ubojia emfa. O try so say kama be ye djuma kama no che papa. Ebi fra kama ni be ye djuma na se bi wewu. Eti ya wo hu adru.
Freak, who made it?
Me request anyum we di ama me dofu bi. I mean me dofu ni na. Ma dofu. The camera dofu and actually say DJ Mario didn't to be sure me style be. It's my dofu. Ah DJ Mario cracker. It's about kwaje sami bi. Belinda ka ho.
My royal lady, baby, ya make a
Obi endi wecha ya onko ape. Chima rough. We rough ni program chima. Enti sane na make no be ma no. Bomodi aso betimi aye adwuma ye wo mpem. Engine oba no. Kope givers speak capsules na no nom na timi bu adwuma ye nya sika ene attention ne care no ana oba no wo pe. Also awusisi aya o ya se koko na etete wo. Constipation ayamutim. Kope givers co capsules na timi numbi. Obetimi anum givers co capsules ani p capsules na bomu. Sane ebe ye betimi aye adwuma ye ewo ni peduani. Na also wetimi abo adwuma ye ewo mpem. Eno ana ehia as bema. Plenty talk no the full basket. Anya kasa. Ma action in chre. Chre o mema ye enye sika sel anya kasa. So immune system no na person nye adwuma ye. Typhoid and how? Some malaria. Say malaria ni krase abapapa. Eba so na wo kon aduane so favorite food esi wanim na wuntimi ndi. Ha jin enu nti no Kope givers heba mixture na no. Sani ebe ya na fofo kwa obetimi akobi enya se ebe fro na akosua wo he o se ya sami honam ye me basabasa meti ya me ya mitimi krampo endidi awade me da bi omokwa na ka odi akire nti Kope givers heba me shana no nom emane so medumo so amoka asa emane nkwa na eye ana aka asa wuja no kofa asa boy no oja wachi denti no oja wachi di onim ne wo ho nto no so ja wachi di se ko na wokoye na ya nipa ni so behu obade wo so timi siesie wa hemfie se wo be fro obi sa ye wo hene na obeba hemfie na hemfie ho nte de ana ene ohe na hene na odi ne sen enti sa rashes ana egugu ahemfie ho sa wo jonso a wo bre o de pua say Crawford the why calendar but some maybe so penny ye hu esan se menstrual pain so betimi akema mefiefuo ni na atonka my darling but modern akwaji givers GC mission capsules netimi no nom obade wo se wutimi esiesie wo hu my darling otu one oba kama anya de crampo abema aka cha so person wale won sha wo bokra de se na da mpo na ka oda da umpa ka be fa ne sa onka bi da ube hu obi no ware na wotu ho no say na oba we de some cry dem your oba sin no enso na wo ware esan se wunni wu huni e wo so timi di ahemfie ni huni se na be your he na oba obe hu say ahemfie ha de hate give us a yen in Rupano Sawu Pebi Etua. Ubetimi Afren Penny 40543222470. Now, Mwamunim say, yeah, give us in Upay, their bedroom and swatch ye papa. Mwamunim at share. Yana, why are you saying your barco to be next when they may catch us a bombardier cell when Sabetimi can run it. Now, wait to me, I don't know. Ready and na ishaba kwadwo sami bi kase bibi bekoso watemantinu obi biara wonimu se oneme ne wo ho no omomode an enjai me sane be ya metimi akobi enti ye Mr. Way ishaba kwadwo sami bi se jame na minkobi Sinameka was a Sound Masters Entertainment and Chrome Pub at the Kofi Kinata Experience at the bar. A year Kofi Kinata Experience Tema 2026.
Tell me what do you want?
But say they know Janemu, where you fire.
What is it that they do?
Where you hit yama, ya charge Ebeko so ewo Chrome Pub, ewo Tema Community 8, Community 9 Junction. Ebekoso Efiada 25th September 2026. Ebesha Sienumre non son, that's 7 p.m. So say wa obebre and I so say wabusia for the post ababu babonti aka say why your most missing person. And sana wa fa bag na coffee. Sana be ya wabusia for be hu say wonyera. Now person want to ticket ni bia. Now I dial star 713 star 33 star 758 hash. Star 713 star 33 star 758 hash. Regular 300 cedis and a VIP 500 cedis. As usual, official media partners DLFM 106.9. Grandpa put them with me and Konjayo. And the FM stations are holding so and supporting. SVTV, Adom FM, Adom TV, Kesban FM, Asasipa FM, High FM, and the Showbiz TV. Studio X, anytime my Jesus.
If you know,
Amundi na support. I'm a Kofi Kinata experience tema 2026 no etimi abaso.
now you know. Now you know. If you know, you know. The big ballers in town. Now you know.
Like I said, 25th, you know, so they are changed 26 now. Old school jam, Ebekoso. DJ Guso, DJ Marion Kradasubi, DJ Afiba the international DJ, DJ Ziggy B, DJ Hitman, all the DJs here in DLFM 106.9. I rap live. But more than so bet me to take it now, so let me have fun. On the 27th of September, so I shall Enquires special and an afternoon live band. Special live band. What person won't reserve a table so bet me a friend penny 0507 483606 and a 0244 621097. Now wait to me, I reserve you table.
How much is money?
If you are not near Busan for Nebeko, no now for fun Nebeko.
Premium or not?
Different penny for to me reserve a table.
Now you know.
It comes with a whole lot. When you bedroom who ye papa. Yembra Facebook neso. On join me, Abamodian Sobe joining me live on Facebook and YouTube. DLFM 106.9. Now they'll comment in so no etimi Abba. I don't know how Michael. I say I'm watching you live from Teacher Mante. It's loud and clear inside Teacher Mante. Greetings across to Yakobi. Also one Sawem Senior High School where every Mr. Odeneho from Teacher Mante. Coffee Parliament. I say thank God it's Friday. Doing the listening loud in Agona Bobikuma Apa. Coffee Parliament on Hoya dear. Check a see Encore FM out. So why you so be na se wuni ahode ade be pia eh ya ye papa so when it tua pa so amokona wuntimi nkobi na ye o se sun so emma na wa honhon na osi ho enu ntini me di ma for herbal clinic heto mo nsa e dia frel Yari ben e house say yes stroke malaria na house sisi wachi dompe wa poso na mu adwuma ye infertility nini na me di ma for herbal clinic heto mo nsa dia frel mo say yari bi e ha obi a the omuntimi anya ni sese bi obi awawu enu the omuntimi nya ni no enfra wufuo mu enu nti say yare ben ana ha wote asenkwan de amidima for herbal clinic ese omo betimi asa yare no omo branch ni bi ewo Kumasi Sanso Anakra ha omo wo Pokwase Maira sese de amidima for ntini Pokwase Maira nya anyira bio ene wudu Pokwase overhead na ene taxi sisi wanom kasa wo komidima for mo de obekọ ho obetimi so afre midima for e was 0244 774282 and 0500 727215 Dr. Time that so I say bra no fire we infant so ya for time ento yare ne so FM mount and now home my yare nku o say yare ne bo na wotna ho no ma sia na ekun ti misrel midima for eto mo sa e dia frel
highly spiritual
oyonko amene oba ko sia tafure Uni baby then I was signing kapure
Yera weekend yimu die na ya de adwuma die bebre na na bekoso yesiamudie ne die pi na ebe ye say ya ye for abadin to a birthday party now here live band papa e feels group band e wo ho e de ma omo de omo machines ne de papa bi o where you pack to papa no Jack see and call my silver lady Oh, share feels group band at Shakwaya. Omo Watema community too. Inside Bar Rosso. Omo machines ne mood da honum. Etie for the more all the time mutie ye no. The last time I feels group band eba DLFM hanum. Mo amu hu ne course. Mo amu betimi dia dance ye. Omo timi ebo ni ye. Enyum bia so do munim to. There's one guy be a group no for team bisa. Oh yeah, the papa. Make ya Belinda chine ni hwe mi. Enti nipa ya dia wonsa ye ya na. Oh, autonyum ni ye papa wo voice. Oh, lyrics no yin 11 e ma wo lyrics na say. It's wo pe band papa betimi ama program na wo ye no aye fan na. E feels group band. For feels group band that was 0242 865 391 Buki wom no mo so emetonyom no FM ma Fast Trade and a Pram Traditional Council representing Fast Trade Culture and Food Festival. I shall see Dada, I shall see Busumi Weyemu. Now ended the 21st of August 2026. Amoya rap and singing competition. Sanso an artiste night. And in some shall see and won't be a bombardier so betimiako. Now, a yacht na Saturday, no, the 22nd of August 2026. Mamu ye DJs on rotation and eating competition. And ya mo page and eating competition. No. Atomo life. Okay, special request to be a bossy band na manope. Wakai more than mom bebo wa hanti no. Into 0242 865 391. I'm on social media platform listen to no bet me search Phil Groups band. Now fe what to me any on Makasa. I said 23rd of August, which is Sunday. A homecoming celebration. From a holiday, ye jinamu. Ya chimfoni na ye jinamu bi. Mele Belinda, ne prasa Michael see you. Let's see a jinkna for my man abosho. Now make out set 24th to 30th of August. Next your market sales. Bayan from an patio and rain. And also it comes with a lot of programs. Intifa Street Culture and Food Festival. Eguso El Koso. They are their first trade and a pram traditional council for Anediaba.
Check your body in the form, no. You and I want pay. Catch any so be a baby. Tea, what's me a guy? Who jam me hook on it will be baby, I'm a lie. Check a drip and I'm a betting a guy. Mediato form. Miss a medona woman in Muna. Then pet, Nipo Muni, young Kunipa, and yet, Ubufu Nipa Mabo, any effort. I can't tell snap me. What's up? Auntie Wapre, sweetheart, Piatia show. Sana Wupumin, Tomago. Couple be a family after mano. Be a good yak as a 4 home cry. And I know what bunny don't come in from one to me. May not go see my dear Jaron. But send me Baba
DLFM 106.9.
Home of legends and great music.
Your friend me Dr. Ray on the beat. I'm Adjoa Agyei Sika.
You shy and every day now will frame me 14. Me to make a don't put it to beshi.
Asem way.
Credit me.
Asem way.
18. O come tissue woman.
Let's see a share for frono.
Zutago. Who jam me hope.
You share for frono.
Then I'm yo. Makuma fole. You are prenu. Sweetheart, Piatia show. Sana wu.
You share for frono eh. That's here for.
Obi a good yak as a 4 home cry. Now say and tete wa don't. Or something I can't put my back. You see me, Baba Shaw.
Mr. Saka, my busy saying. Mary and Anka, Miss Cos, dear Woho. You know what to be for no. And Miss Cova cramming ya.
I didn't be people when you're my man. She I want to have me. I
don't know, yes, sir. I don't know, yes, sir.
Now say and tete wa don't. Or something I can't put my back.
Nanaya, I should tell you my story. The best story time later. My Munjaisa, and you're fine, you. And you come on, Munjaisa.
Check your body in the form, no. You and I want pay.
You shall from 2 million be a Nakoba. But not Nakoba. But still, Johnny Shuman Nakoba. The say crowd, you high in Pomina. Now, Pomena, how are you? Now, me besides, what's any? I love you, I'm a yes keep it. I'll be a try, how are you? Da? Say your own password, try, I love you. Me escaping here, I try, how are you? How will be there? Why is PSC there?
Be a good yak as a 4 home cry. And I know what bunny don't come in from one to me. May not go see my dear Jaron. But send me Baba Shaw.
I saw my making. Send your coffee when you have a studio, hello. And your master now make a media make a movie. Make a adia movie.
You and I want pay.
Meka only be asem and the mano. Meka adiamo.
Meka don't put it to beshi.
Baya munya is.
I'm a credit. Me hofu no one what yam.
I am shas and I'm that sweet na enko sa.
Praise utago.
I funny pa commendi agrosa.
Then I'm yo.
Depression is real.
Sweetheart biatia show. Sana upumin tomago. Kapo biabe famia femano. Obi agudia kase for twa ho kwan. Nan say and tete wa don. Or something wa kapo mapa. The same baba shama XP. I'm fantasy na menyame.
Depression is very real. Like we should be honest with each other. I am munye sweet nin kwen nim nipan so nim say won pen and dada no. Ebi kra na obi wo hono ma wo pe. Wo hunti we dada ne sa na fe obeka na fe wo tete no. Oka we ya was hey, oka we ya was hey. I am mamunye sa. Mamunye sa.
Maybe to me bo ma shewa ma wo exega. Adi no bi me.
Enti se ani me wo obi a se se ne ex a hwe ni mu so obi betimi ahwe no ama ne sa ne ex no watimi adwa. Enti why you ready so be hwe obi ama ne ex adwa. Mami hu nsa wo soro. Aye krado. Obi hwe obi ama ne ex adwa. Mami hu nsa e wo soro. And then now me some different topic be neighbor. That's when you went to know. You be a discussion with. Manya and then so we coffee. Because Monday day ba wo hu afini a she weakness or that 7 day na dey better nchen because you ain't me for stress ni me call that 7. It's a Friday na every weekend ni mu no. I want to know why in the beginning we are very sweet, like the attention you communicate, you care. They do fin na mo yam hon style bi. Enye se nipa na wa ye obibi. It's a no den. Is it natural? Because I want to know. Unless someone are more abducted, if we like I don't know more on man I say oh yeah sweet kakra do fin na I was say say like you done it who be. Is it natural? I want to know. And I'm one I'm said I'm more hanu madwen ho.
O come tissue wom like a ball.
And enye mema ne nkwan man so ka ho.
Be me nemo fra no wo ho. Then I'm yo makoma.
Man mu duabo papa. When you be wo honum na mu shi obi fu fresh and say nipa na sweet kakra no wa jai no. Ma ko fa nipa no. Hey. Ye na yenyo like genders na yenye. E man nye mema nye. Ani egu wiase mu ye ho. Bia nye.
You shy and every day now will frame me 14. Me to make a don't put it to beshi. Kai sabo dobe na wo frame me credit. Me hofu no wona wo tia me.
It is say abeshit na tete no mele den.
Oh, wona fufu ani.
O mo be pama na o mo be to fufuro. Because ya ye hidie.
Makoma fole.
Enya ye ka.
Wa pre no.
O ma chigu horror. O mo sunu ni na egu abontin.
Men tomago. Kapo bia be fame afema no. Obi agudi akase fo twa ho kwan. Na say entete wa don.
Enche biano, me the phone lines ne beto ja. What fract me denti and fitiasen mu ye very sweet. E do mfimfin an afemo ya mo hote se chameleon.
Ti o se me ya gaga.
Bet chire mu chire me. Mi hian chire mu. Chairman mi hian chire mu.
Me se me do na.
Chairwoman mi hian chire mu.
Omuni yonko nipa enye. Obufu mi nipa ma bo wani efe. Akata do snap me. What's up? Anti wa pre no. Sweetheart bia kia show. Sana upumin tomago. Kapo bia be fame afemano. Obi agudi akase fu twa ho kwan. Ena na wo boni don ko mi fa wan to me. Me no akosu amadi ojaro.
Phone lines near 0534 050199 and 0593406565.
Si abasha me mada me no som me bokra chance. Check your body me form no. You nya ya wan pe.
Betchemu denti amutimi yesa.
Shy and every day now will frame me 14. Me to make a don't put it to beshi. Kai sabo dobe na wo frame me credit.
Hello, good morning.
Hey, Sikapa.
Odayo.
Well, Hermina, my love, aka Black Beauty, aka my radio girlfriend. Good morning.
Good morning. Me pacha odini baby afrefi.
Oh, Sikapa, did you find something now?
Great you are fake.
Oh, my baby. I just say.
Nyame adum na pacha onso e.
Nyame adum na bibia boko.
Ye de nyame ase.
Now what's today?
Me say adenti na fiti ase no mo ye sweet e do mfimfin na mo ye mo style bi.
Say when we play the drum, now it's a what drums and na me sa ebia highlife. Na fi okobo reggae, esa mi so mi sa reggae.
Sawa ho.
Nti mo na ya mo ma na yesa. Sometimes no, ye be yi ye mu sa nso nko wi ati na akoye course 90. Nti ye say sabi kwase ani ti na agrogu.
Matias, me that straight to your face.
All right.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho dini baby Alfrefi.
Yes, let me see papa. That's me DLFM shahobo.
And then na me papa no.
Me ba no. That's all.
Ba cho meet you.
Yeah, since 1997 na me pa bre be de kwa kwatia on.
Okay.
Oba na me nam the catch ni see. O ma yenko na sa bre be ne ko fema. Na me ma san be twafofo na me san ko. Okay, we don't to me kwate na wiem. Na aka say ba say ni jibe ba ojo ni diviti asam ni fe ndi e wana me kreme ho.
Oh, okay. Nto sentiment na wiem wo ho.
O sentiment na wiem na ti me nkoton mra na o medi.
Oh, sanka o da asam de.
Kwate ase.
Me da say.
Me da.
Also bet me afra Adjoa Agyei 0534 050199 and 0593 406565. Sandra Becker, I say good morning, Sister Adjoa. Watching you live inside Tema Free Zone. Indeed, Jawule Friday. Greetings to Mrs. Priscilla Fosu Odobroni. Sandra Betsy, Mr. Medasi, Papa. Did you say Bibia Boko or Tema? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Adjoa Agyei Sika.
Papa.
It is
me pacho nyame adom na also
we dey when you do
me das
the same voice and I to say I don't know it
me pacho dabi
so say we share ban for na
okay
I say who check on her or no at least also check on you what I say
yeah
but I to say back from far na check on back na enye de so esa na na say or say nyina ye jana ye say ya
baby wo ho
so what I say nti man no sometimes ye check on some more applying so oh ma me fe me kuna bi ona me e dia na nso to na ya nso to nti wo na to bi ona nya no wa ko fe bi hide so sa na oba be man so oh me yire we o pe masem so what I say
okay
but wonya sa agro no begu so ntaya mo so mo dwuma ya munya mo stand bia mo checking na ya bi so mo so mo doi na ga ba kwa na bugu doi le fa
ya
so that say
yeah
me da say Adjoa nie
me da say
14 me yet make a don't put it to beshi kai se bodo me na wo fa me credit me ho fo no na wo.
Hello, good morning.
Hello,
good morning.
Morning, Sister Adjoa.
Me ba cho di ni baby Alfrefi.
Ba ya friend me because I chama.
Okay, mpacho mitio.
Oh, top you dey aba na dey. E ko ma me kwa.
Sawo. Wachi guana.
Oh, ebi na me msi ayo.
Hey! Ana bra said you do them Mr. Wabo Adeja o.
Ma ba Adeja ka kija. Me you be me ban or daughter me pen dia go.
Okay.
Baba me no on say me coach man say ebo anaju 1 o'clock on frame musam say agent na wache. Amo wache o.
Okay.
Care about you.
Kafra.
Yeah, just me bibia just me na me dey mess. For no frame musam say abani say na dey wache. Onye big da, onye bimpo da.
Kafra. Ube share your door. Why? Me feel pain no e wo voice nim. Ube share your door Nyankopon be providing. Amen. We shall so.
I don't know some me bokra chance check your body in form no every day now frame me 14. Me to make a don't put it.
Me for few calls now me the call segment next.
Now what time me day 18.
Ain't in a betray and ain't afitiasia mu ye sweet mu shiani pa mu ye very sweet. And your lunch crown one at the bed bro. And they wouldn't did you some patcho did mommy. And they have sent you something for lunch. As they say, no bad time crowd win ya. That ain't na yamu yes sir. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Madra.
Mami, Pacho, dini baby afrefi.
Me Pacho Madra me kasafu dodoa.
Oh, okay. Belinda and Crawford. Pacho bibi aboko die.
Aboko me do.
Then nyame asim. Pacho mitio.
Na, my friends are me go there in campo. What can say? Start we relationship also the same stuff. Officer, who do.
Okay.
Aha, so who is our no what happened?
Auntie, who done the dodo and I yes no. So what's your done so?
People so much to do. I thought I had done, but then you know you will say you or TT.
Okay.
Aha, it's a much
but nyame adom ne ho ye. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba show dini baby afrefi.
Comfort man me.
Oh, is that Connie? Pacho bibi aboko die.
Pacho nyame adom na o
se. Nyame adom o, me pacho miti o.
Oh, so the way ade na akoye no. You see, insano we jari we, na we into jari we.
Sure.
Me connect me ni wo call out and I say me ni wo date. Na say all the time o person me na me so me check up on you. Emfa. Ebe do baby no all do as I say me hu be kwa kodi mu ba ebe kwa kodu baby na me hu say all the time na say because who say me hu be di mu all the time person me na me feel. I mean, check it up on you, know.
Okay.
Ramp not in the end last day. And do baby answer. It's communication. Way fair way, not way fair way, but a quite dinaba kusua. And as I be no most at times, you know, it happening to communicate. Communication is a greater. And maybe the other now coming to you, know,
sure.
And your back. We check it up on way, now we check it up on way. But my young Jan to Bakusu. Our real Mususa. The so don't know stronger. I was saying, since I didn't.
Okay.
Miss
Amida, Sister Connie.
I am it on top of baby, I am it down. Oh, I am it down. One bed this sick away, one bed now. Oh, Sissy Fiani. Oh, Sissy.
Hello, good morning. Mommy. Okay, but I bet me at your way for if you didn't want mommy. Okay.
Almost your first a brand new now we won't come.
The fuck I say.
No, I sent my cookie jam.
I see.
Sana, never know.
Maybe I shall me that say.
Go mama, go mama.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pa show dini baby a ofrefi.
Me dini Kofi Kwe alias Kambu.
Okay, pa show me too.
Shelf fra. Senia corner crossing. Baby no opese. What dia we na friend bisa na se.
Okay.
Where did he? We okay. Where do you ignore me?
Okay.
On kura one from bisa say oh, na wo so ho tese. Wo so adwuma tese da. Baby no opese wo mo na wo friend.
Okay.
Esa do baby say wo so teda. If they be okay about then ban no so don't care about you. They say or forget it. If they be no bisa na say oh, we okay. Where do you ignore? Where did he?
Okay.
No, you be answer no better.
Okay.
And
made us sure. Hello, yeah, my last caller. Good morning.
Good morning, mommy. I'm from Bakoria.
Pacho nyame adom na also e.
Nyame adom ya ho.
Pacho meet you.
Ana pedi mi se mo je mi stand outside.
Okay.
Alright, Ghana man ni bi wo ho a.
but I see you with the dodo.
Okay.
Into the bank, Kuran, I go say, on the guys will be surprising into young Kobe being got in a baby. You did you never be Chiaka. Mammy, you did out. You do what
Mr. Met me a chia. So, old mammy is kind of quite a messy every day, and I'm Yamisica de Unia. It's an actual say, be Obian in dio. Obian in a dio, be actually an aging. My meme dear, send a mecano. Na make a samobi, na me dear idiot. One medisica, one metiacoma. Who was a mechigu hamon come on to? I am Yamasema, it's not your business. Mama mechingu, Mama mechino enguha. At the many swamia major. And Yanti Melissia Mimu, ye idiot. I did a so homobia. Madam Munina say, Mom will join me live on Facebook and YouTube and TikTok. Mom of Frey, and then we say Mugusu Frey Pana, so Emreno a call. Emreno call, if I'm a chamo fan, Mugusu Frey means to me. Yeah, me wafa, it's about just Sammy B. Regina Hanum. Let your yellow soldier. Na Hanum giddy, far and ye. And into me fast like I see my team, no DJ or Mario, no, Anna, ye DJ. A born your papa at the mommy. So Anna Belinda, our MC or you make a live on Facebook and YouTube. Men swam it's ne jamu. Midi ene Adjoa Agyei Sika pa. One time in Kabio man, I shaba ko just Sammy B. Edi o kasi bono ebe som. Madam Munina ase.